Hello, my name is James Watt, and my interest in the Digital Lead Learner program is to meet like-minded educators to exchange ideas, experiences, and hopefully some resources with. I presently manage much of the technology at my school, and it will really help me to hear how other people are doing it more efficiently and successfully. I'd also like to better understand how to generate staff interest in using technology in their programs and with digital literacy in general. I could presently use some help in building small boot camp style training programs, and I'd like to find a few colleagues with a fresh perspective and hopefully a complementary set of skills. Basically, I'd like to learn and teach new technologies and meet people interested in doing the same. What will be the benefit for my school community? For my students, colleagues, and administration, I would like to create technology solutions that respond to the ESL and academic needs and gaps in our school. I'd like to help my colleagues learn new applications, new devices, and new processes in ways that support the programs that they already have in place. Helping my colleagues to understand and use the technology we already have will move our school forwards in our shared use of devices, in the degree to which we integrate technology into our programming, and in how literate we are in using the vast resources of the internet to improve the quality of program delivery. In working to raise the digital literacy in my school, I believe that all staff and students will have more care and respect for the technology we presently own and make better decisions about what we buy and how we share these resources with one another. I have a story about using a TDSB-approved digital tool. The Adobe Express Video Editor was selected because composing videos necessitates the use of skills from all four language strands, as well as learning a number of new artificial intelligence techniques. Students watching the videos they recorded improved the authenticity, the immediacy, and the quality of feedback that they got on their work. Making videos is a multifaceted activity, and there are many skills that can be transferred into day-to-day learning in all subject areas, such as research techniques and using artificial intelligence to summarize and order information. The tool I used was used to record and edit student voice. It was used to lay out simple text and image-based communication, as well as compose, edit, and order slides to accompany the narration. The impact on student learning is that there was deeper awareness and understanding of oral language conventions and techniques. There's greater fluency in using artificial intelligence to find, summarize, and order information. And finally, there's an improved ability to explain their reasoning and use language in a persuasive manner. The evidence I saw included responses on student rubrics and reflection questions that were both thoughtful and personal. Over the course of the school year, I saw great improvements in the quality of videos produced. Here's my final story about learning from failure. I recently attempted to use ChatGPT and Google Gemini to create a set of complex images for an educational website I'm building. I have used the image creation feature in Adobe Express with some success, but had no experience using the other LLMs to make images. The main problem was that although the AIs got the tone and style of the imagery correct, as you can see, they were not able to create simple and accurate text boxes within each image. I tried many iterations and different prompts to get some images that met my needs. Eventually, I had to stop, realizing that iteration can be good, but there's a point where restating and rethinking both the prompts and the creation process itself will yield much better results. In future, I decided I'll use AI agents dedicated to image creation instead of prompting a general AI or LLM. I will use a visual editor like Adobe Illustrator to add my text boxes after I use the AI to create the basic compositions that I'm looking for. Finally, breaking a complex task into smaller, more manageable pieces and using other apps to supplement the work of the artificial intelligence can be better than repeatedly expecting artificial intelligence to do all the work for me. Thank you for your consideration.